Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily draw lines on Adobe Acrobat. So first head over and launch your Adobe Acrobat app or software, then start opening up a file. Now from here, you should see this mini sidebar or toolbar, and all you have to do is click on the spiral-like icon, which is the draw tool. And here you can see the line shape. All you have to do is click on it. Now from the draw tool, we are now switched to the line tool. And to use the line tool, head over and click on an area in your file or document and drag the line how long you want it to. Then click on the edge of the line. To change the color of the line, click the color palette icon and change to the color that you would like. There's also an option where you can change the opacity of your line. Just drag the toolbar to your desired opacity, and that will apply to the appearance of your lines. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!